First of all, thank you guys for such a positive response to my thesis. So many people have reached out to me not just from my college but also from other colleges asking various queries related to the thesis. So somehow I was thinking why not make a video on that to give you guys an idea through a structured way of thinking. It might not be the best but it will give you guys some sort of idea on how to approach. At the end of the video, I will show you some of the sites where you can find the list of thesis done at international and national level. This will surely help you in selecting a thesis topic. I will post some link in the description box which I had accumulated for my thesis. It has a long list of thesis topics done in various colleges in India. So in the beginning, I can think of two approaches that you should take into consideration while selecting a thesis topic. Approach number 1. A good thesis is the one which is very practical, that at the end of it you present it like it can be built in a real life. A different approach can be that you select a very futuristic, innovative thesis topic that might be utopian. You may not get a chance to build in a real life as an architect, but since it is your last design project, you have full freedom to design in a way you want. But at the same time, design it in a way that it should not be entirely out of reality. For my thesis, I followed the second approach and which was equally successful. Now since you have decided which approach to follow, here are some tips which can help you in moving forward. Tip number 1. Your thesis should aim at solving real world problems. Yes, it should deal with some prevailing issues in the society. It may be social, cultural or environmental. For example, an affordable housing project aim at solving the problem of urban poor. A well-designed transportation hub solving infrastructural problems. A project related to technological advancement like vertical farming solving various environmental and social problems. Or maybe a heart or a village development dealing with problems at the grassroots level. Or perhaps something combining our culture, dance, music with architecture. Yes, it can be anything, but it should have certain ambition to make society a better place. Tip number 2. Your interest. Try to align your interest with it. Things about which you are more passionate, because only if you are passionate enough, you will never get tired of putting any effort into it. It also can match with your future plans. For example, if you have some ideas related to working in a particular field in future, you can choose a topic which aligns to that. Tip number 3. Availability of information. A big project like thesis requires a lot of information and analysis. So look for something which already has a lot of research available. This data will help you a lot in shaping your approach towards design. For example, for my thesis, there were as such no architectural case studies available, but there were sufficient literature in the form of research papers and articles which helped me a lot in understanding the project. So choose a topic about which substantial information is available. Tip number 4. Your expertise. After spending 4 years in architecture, there must be something on which you are good at. It may be your creative thinking or technical capabilities. So choose a topic in which you can apply all your skills. Tip number 5. Scale of project. It depends entirely on the type of project. A large project requires things more at the site planning level, then you detail out some salient stuff. Whereas a small scale project requires to detail out every minute thing. Don't just blindly select any project, any day quality matters over quantity. For a decent project, I will suggest to keep the range of site area between 6 to 12 acres. Tip number 6. Is it necessary to bring some out of the box idea? My answer is no. There isn't any fixed rule for this. Just remember the fundamental things. Your thesis should have some perspective. It solves something. It identifies specific issues and proposes a solution for that through architecture. Tip number 7. What about your guide? I think our thesis guides are only there to help us. No one is going to design anything for us. Treat them as your seniors who are just more proficient than you. They can only give you a direction. Ultimately, it's your vision and your ambition which is essential. Don't expect them to know everything. So choose a guide who is supportive and has confidence in you. Lastly, here is the list of sites where you can find the good thesis projects done at both national and international level. The first one is the Archibricks, where you can browse the projects by filtering them as per their location. I will personally suggest to visit this particular site. Next, World Architecture and Architecture Live. Here you will find a lot of thesis projects done in India. The last one, Tamayo's Award. There you can find some of the best awarded thesis projects from all around the world. Also, I am attaching my link in the description. It has a long list of thesis topics which I had accumulated from my thesis. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you a good luck and I hope this has helped you in selecting a good thesis topic. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section or you can mail me anytime.